Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make life in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first, take earth. Then add wind to earth. It will make dust. Then take wind on other side. Then add fire to it. It will make smoke. Then add earth to dust. It will make planet. Then add water to smoke. It will make fog. Then add fog to planet. It will make Venus. Then add water on other side. Then add fire to water. It will make steam. Then add steam to Venus. It will make life. Voila! And that's how you make life in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.